Hello and welcome everybody, welcome to my Creation Nook. I'm Linda and ho ho ho, we are on day 15. I hope everybody's well, and I want to thank you all. Before I open the advent, I want to thank all of you for coming and leaving comments, and it's brilliant. I'm really excited, and I will definitely this was kind of like an experiment to see how it would go. But I tell you what guys, I'll definitely be doing it again next year. I am so excited to open today's. So we're on day 15, and so we got a little blue bag today, and it says cheers with a little present. So I'm just really excited, you know, kind of when the video goes live, and see what people, you know, think and that. But hats off to Reggie, she's done a brilliant. Oh oh, I wasn't expecting that, guys. Oh, we're going from the teals to the greens. Look at that. Well, that shocked me, guys. I don't know what I was expecting. Isn't it funny, you just have this, wow. So this was yesterday's, the 14th. So it kind of, so I'm guessing tomorrow it's going to be more of a green. But they do look nice together, don't they? So I kind of, oh, I've got to get this sweater finished, guys. I've got to get this sweater finished so we can get on with this advent. Oh, isn't that beautiful? I really like the green. And do you know, when I was younger, I didn't like green at all. I refused to wear green. And then I was in the territorial army, and then all of a sudden I loved green. Don't ask guys, don't ask, but hey ho. So yeah, that's really nice. You've got like all different shades of green. Can you see? There's like dark green, and it's still got the stellina. And do you know, you can't feel the stellina even when I'm knitting it. You can't, and it just adds that little je ne sais quoi. Really nice. I'm really liking that. So guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I hope you will join me at 5 o'clock today. That's GMT, which is 12 noon, 11 Central, and I'm not sure what the other, I know there's Mountain and there's Pacific, but I hope you can join me. I really look forward to seeing you all later with my beautiful Ursula, and I'm sure Miss Angela will pop up as well, and lots of other friends. So I'll see you all later on. Take care, stay safe, bye for now.